Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today in this video, another miracle story of istighfar is being shared. Our sister says that when there were some problems in her house, there were some issues in her house, and she was so upset and she didn't know what to do. At that time, she started reciting istighfar. She kept reciting whole day astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah. And she said that she watched many videos on YouTube about istighfar. When people do istighfar, Allah helps them. Allah gives them what they want. So she said, I kept reciting astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah. And I started reciting Durood Ibrahimi also. Initially, I recited 100 times Durood Ibrahimi, and after that, I increased quantity and managed to recite 313 times daily. She said, I sent sawab to Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Ahle Bayt and say my problem to Allah, that I have this problem, I have this issue, and alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, Allah helped us from unseen. She said that the problem was that my brother had to go abroad for a job, and he applied for this, and he gave money to one of our known person, one of our known relatives, 2 lakh rupees. And he said that, and she told us, after that, my brothers didn't want to go abroad. My brother's mind got changed, and my brothers said that I am not willing to go abroad for job. I just want to settle here in my country. And he invested in some business, and what happened? He started doing business. When he settled down, he said to his relative that please return my money, what I gave to you, 2 lakh rupees, for the purpose of going abroad. But what happened? His relative denied to give them his money. His relative said that we will not give you money. And whenever they asked for their money, their relatives started abusing, used slang words, and cursed them that we will not return your money. And one time his relative said, we will not return your money, whatever you do, but I'll not return your money. So they were very upset. The sister says, I started reciting astaghfirullah, and I kept reciting istighfar the whole day, and I kept reciting Durood Ibrahimi 313 times, and I prayed to Allah. What happened? After few times, sometime, that relative came to our house and returned our 1 lakh rupees and said that just take this rupees, just take this amount, 1 lakh rupees. I have 1 lakh right now. And he returned money with dignity, and he apologized for his behavior and said that your 1 lakh rupees is remaining. Whenever I have this amount, I will return it to you at any time. But please don't demand me for that money. I will return it to you as soon as possible. And that sister says, we were not expecting that our relative returned our money with this behavior, with apologize, with dignity. This is all about the miracle of istighfar and Durood Ibrahimi, because I kept reciting astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah whole day, and I kept reciting Durood Ibrahimi, and I firmly believed that whenever a person recited astaghfar for any purpose, Allah always gives them, Allah always fulfills their wishes, whoever recites istighfar. So if there are any problem, any issue, and you are suffering from anything, just start reciting astaghfirullah, 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 and keep reciting Durood Ibrahimi also. So inshallah ta'ala, soon all the problems will be solved, all the issues will be resolved, and all the things, all the desires, needs, and du'as will be fulfilled, will be accepted. Allah will answer soon. This is the short miracle story of istighfar, but these types of stories motivates us that we should recite istighfar abundantly, and we should keep asking for our wish, for our need from our Allah, and we should keep asking our need and desire from Allah. Inshallah ta'ala, all the things will be given to us. May Allah bless all of us. May Allah accept our prayers. Ameen. Jazakallahu khaira.